Welcome back to the Anchorage where everything is awesome, and today I am too. Welcome to RenoQuest. So yeah, we've got a slight renovation. It's a little bit of interior decorating, and I wanted to take a moment just to kind of show you the latest thing, and I happen to be sitting on it. It's the futon. I did mention in a vlog quest about this futon before, but I used to sleep here, and it's really comfortable, and it's in its sofa couch mode right now. It's been used as a guest bed of sort for the past few years, so it was all laid straight out, but it's not anymore. And how it was configured was it wasn't configured lengthwise this way, along the wall here. This end where I'm sitting is technically, as it was used, the head of the bed, as it were, and it was up against the wall here, and it went that way, and so it went out, a good 6.5 feet. However, it just recently got all cleaned up in the area of dust and any dirt and tchotchkes, yucky tchotchkes, as such like that. And I've got a table right here that was up in this corner, and I pushed that out, got all cleaned up and everything, and so I took it from this direction, turned it 90 degrees, and butted up against the wall, folded it back up, and here it is. So I'll scooch over a little bit. You can kind of see it. It's actually blue. So this is actually a bed top sheet right here. It's got Egyptian cotton on one side and it's silky on the other. So this is a pillow to the couch that you've seen me on. It's over there. And so I'm like, but it gave me 4 throw pillows, and I'm like, why? So I just took 2 of those and I brought them over and stick them on this. And so this side of this sheet is the silky side, so it's very comfortable. It's very nice, and boom, that goes there. So by doing this, what I've actually succeeded in doing is recovering, a good, I don't know, was it 4 or 5 feet by 4 or 5 feet this way, so up to 20 to 25 square feet of floor space. So it's a lot more open in here, and it's a lot better. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all of this renovation was, or this piece of renovation was just cleaning this up, getting it reconfigured, and now being used as a extra seating area. And it also still retains the ability to provide guest bed accommodations. I can just slide it out, put it down, and you got an additional sleeping space in case I happen to have a guest over and they want to spend the night and just chill out or whatever, and they or they don't want to get back on the road. Who knows? Just to have it available, and to be a good host. So there you go. So that's going to be pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this real quick. So thank you very much, Skál, and we'll catch you in the next one. So be good. I don't have my drink with me, so I'm not going to be drinking to victory, unfortunately. Sorry. But, when I'm up there, my desk is right here. So you'll see me there. And there we go. So we'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Skál. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.